Hello friend A-Arduino. Today I found project from YouTube and I try to learn myself to use the GSM SIM900 to send the data from from Arduino uh, show to send to Thingspeak, the website for real-time communication. In case of you have the project to send data or from sensor to show on internet. Thingspeak is the one is really powerful and free. Actually, it's free for testing. So in the screen right now, you will see the serial monitor from Arduino. From Arduino, you know this one, and connect serial send data from serial from SIM900. In this screen from serial monitor, you will see the step forward for the command we call AT command from for control the GSM module. In the screen for the Thingspeak, you will see the in this screen you have to screen to send the value from Arduino in the same time, and the wiring, just a simple wiring, is not complicated. First of all, you just connect the power from 5 volt for this is SIM900 module, GSM module. You connect the 5 volt ground, and for serial communication you connect TX to number 2 and IX to number 3. This one you have to follow the code, because we use soft serial from Arduino from Arduino coding. For code, you will see we use software serial. We declare the software serial. We use pin number 2 for RX, pin number 3 for TX. That's why we have to wiring like this. In this project, we use the value from random function from Arduino here. This project we use the number from random function. We no need to connect any sensor. We will send the value to group. Value 1, value 2 we send to Thingspeak field 1 and field number 2. We have to grab next is void for connect to GSM, and this is AT command, we have to make understanding with this command, and the table of AT command in this one, and we can compare with our project. In this manual is really uh, helpful, but it's too much for learn. Right now we have to cut from this manual. Just uh, just select in the manual to explain one by one, not all, but in attached file you can see in the detail below. You can download. So the next is this AT command for, okay, you take AT command and you enter pin and network register. This part is a group for connect to GSM, and you connect to internet APN. The next is for connect to Wi-Fi. You connect to US wireless, and you get IP address, and connect to Thingspeak, and you send data to server. Next is voice for send data to field in Thingspeak website. In Thingspeak website, you will see for first start you have to register. I will show in the previous video, and then you make your two field number 1 and field number 2. I can show you when you have start to register already, and you will have this is the first screen. You go to new channel and name it, and you have to use to field, and that's it for this. Next step, you have to go to API key, and then you come over here, copy here all these, copy here, yeah, you just copy for field number 1, you just paste here in this row, and go back to this is for field number 2. Copy all, do the same uh, like field number 1, and you copy to here. That's it. Is just this that you have to do, and everything you just do the same. Make sure you, that's it. It's not too much. This file, this code I learned from YouTube also, and I just modification a little bit for the next step. I will add the sensor, the real sensor in for my next step. But today I just use the random number to show on the Thingspeak website. This I just show for the example, but I already have my I already have my channel. I already has this connect to Thingspeak since in the morning, and today until now the number will show to field with GSM module. This one, it is no need Wi-Fi because you already has communication to GSM. This is very helpful when you send the data or information from the area is very far away from field. This will be very helpful when you don't have self Wi-Fi for communication. So I hope this project is helpful for all of my friends. If this can help for your project, subscribe, like, share for support my channel. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.